Hey guys, this is my $300 solar hot water heater. I bought this on Kijiji. The guy was asking $400 for it and I got it for $300. And this is just some photos and videos of us digging the hole where I ran the lines out from the house. Love having this excavator. Makes life a lot easier. That's my son. He's operating it there right now. And that's the rack I built in the background. Just made it out of some 2x4s. And it seems to be holding up very well. I know I said I was going to build one for the house, but for $300 there's no way I could have built this. Came with a solar storage tank, 40 gallon solar storage tank, and a controller and two 40-tube evacuated tube panels. So it was a pretty good deal. And there they are mounted on the rack there. It's the panels. And I dug the hole and I just put some styrofoam in the bottom. I cut some styrofoam and I insulated the pipe, and then I ran the pipe between the styrofoam, 2 sheets of styrofoam underground. Seems to work really well. And I just used 3/4 inch PEX pipe. There's the PEX pipe there, and those are PVC LBs and expansion joints. I think they were 2 inch. It kind of makes a nice, neat, tidy job of it coming up into the house. That's why I did it that way. But it comes right up in there, goes through the rim joist, and these are some temperatures that I was getting after I installed it. That was the tank temperature there, and that one is the panel temperature. So usually 2 or 3 degrees in the difference, but works pretty good. I'm very, very happy with it so far. And this is just a little video of, that's an electric hot water heater. I just put that in beside the solar tank for extra storage right now. Someday I might hook it up and use it, but for the time being it's just extra storage. And you can see there, that's 131 at the panel, and that there is 129 in that tank. So it works pretty good. You got a lot of free solar heated hot water. That's the expansion tank there. Gotta have an expansion tank. But yeah, it works pretty good. So just thought you guys would like to see that. If you have any questions, please don't be scared to ask. And thanks for watching.